Hey guys, my name is Nogan and welcome to my C++ series. In today's video, we're focusing on installing an IDE, which is an integrated development environment that we can use to write C++ programs. So the IDE that we can be installing today is called Visual Studio 2022 version. So go to any browser that you have on your PC. I'm going to use Firefox and type Visual Studio 2022 version. Click on next. Okay, after you'll see this page displayed here, which means go to this link that says Visual Studio Microsoft.com and click on this Visual Studio 2022 IDE programming tool for software development. Awesome. As you can see guys, we're at this Microsoft homepage eventually. So what you're going to be doing here, go to this down section here. As you can see, we have three sections here. We have community, professional, and also enterprise. So we want to use the free version of Visual Studio, which is the community version here. Click on it. Okay, so guys, I'm using an IDM, which is an Internet Download Manager, which I'm using here to download my installations. So I'm going to start download. Awesome. So guys, after downloading this, I'm going to open the exe file so we can run our program. Click on yes. Okay, as long as we wait for the installer to open up, as you can see guys, on this another section of the home page here, click on continue. So guys, as you can see on this home page of Visual Studio, you can read through here where to find information about Visual Studio IDE, the new version. And there's a video also here that's going to give you more information about what the IDE does and also the new features, new extensions, new control systems, and so on and so forth. Okay, so now as you can see guys, we're here in the installation section. So in this workloads here, what we need to do, we have to focus on getting a desktop development in C++. So just drag it down a little bit and go to this desktop and mobile section here. So we're looking for desktop development C++. Click on it on right hand corner. As you enable it here guys, you'll see on the right hand side on the installation details, it will display all these blocks here being enabled. So these are now all the tools and also that you can be using to build C++ programs. So down here you'll see the total space requirement here is 9 gig to install the packages. So click on install. And also another thing guys, remember that the installation will take some time to install. It can take maybe roughly 30 minutes or an hour maximum to install all the packages on your computer. Just make sure that you have like a stable connection of internet when installing this IDE of Visual Studio. And as you can see also here guys, I have this 2019 version here, 2019 version of Visual Studio, which is like the older version that I was using before. But for this series, like I said, we're going to be using this new version of 2022 version. guys, I'll be back again after the installation has been completed. Then I'll show you guys where to find the Visual Studio installed on your computer. And on the next video, we'll focus on writing our first C++ program, and we'll speak about what are C++ variables and also data type modifier in C++. So guys, as you can see now, the installer just finishing up installing the final installation packages. Okay, as you can see now, our IDE has finished installing. So what you can do, you can just launch it. Awesome. As you can see guys, we installed a new version of IDE of 2022 version. So this is like now the how it looks eventually, the new design, because the 2019 version looked a little bit black, but this looks purple based on this design. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell notification, and see the post on my channel.